Morning, people. I'm doing my early morning walk. Nature is beautiful. This is how areas are preserved so that these animals can be in their natural habitat. So this is what I see. Can you see that? A lot of time they are, almost everywhere. Can you see this one entrance into the bush? So they leave these bushes around in between buildings, in between streets, so that they can be in their natural habitat. A lot of time they cross the road and cause damages to cars. Can you see that? Okay, that's beautiful. That's nice. All right, in Nigeria, these are what